We're going to start part C of the QPA. The last part of part B, we had to explain why the elementary complex would not be within budget. For me, I said the predicted budget for the elementary complex was $2,374,722 because we took the budget for the ELC, $791,574, and multiplied it by 3. However, upon looking at the total area and perimeter of the elementary complex, our budget will be much bigger. We actually needed a total of $7,040,169. And that is because when I use a scale factor of 3, the ELC and the elementary complex were much different sizes. In fact, the elementary complex was 9 times bigger. Even though we multiplied it with a scale factor of 3, this means that both dimensions, length and width, are multiplied by 3. So now the first part of part C is the elementary schools have a budget of, and this is for me because of the fence and the grass I used, $2,374,722. We saw in part B that we can't just scale everything by 3, scale factor of 3. What is the largest scale factor that the elementary schools could use to be within budget? Explain and justify your answer. So this reasoning will be true for anyone. When our scale factor was 3, our area got 9 times bigger. So what is the relationship of that? It looks like this is 3 squared. 3 times 3 is 9. And then how do I get back from 9 to 3? Well, this is the square root of 9. Interesting. So the scale factor of 3 is too big. Now, I want to figure out what is another scale factor I could use so that the area just gets 3 times bigger, because our budget is only 3 times the ELC. And I can even draw it like this. Here's the budget for the ELC, and the budget for the elementary school is 3 times bigger. So I know that if I square my scale factor, if I say this squared needs to be 3, I'll have my scale factor. But I also know that if I take the square root of this, if I take the square root of 3, then I will find my scale factor because I'm working backwards. This will give me a scale factor of square root of 3, which comes around to 1.71. So I'm going to say square root of 3 is my final answer.